In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 25 by 100 using the long division method. See that 25 is less than 100. That is why we will consider putting a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. We know that 100 times 2 is 200. Subtract, we get 50. Now again see that 50 is less than 100. That is why we will again borrow 1 0. And we know that 100 times 5 is 500. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 25 divided by 100 is equal to 0.25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.